Hello, this is Tom here, and welcome to another repair video. In this video, we are looking at an iPhone 11, but there's something very particular I'm interested in. You can see right here that the version is iOS 18.1.1, and I've already got the phone apart, as you can see. So we're going to be finding out whether or not this battery in here, whether that battery can be changed over to another battery and get that new battery percentage. It just so happens that I do have a battery that I'm pretty darn sure, I've got it written down here as being 90%, so I am hoping that I can take that battery. It was pulled from another iPhone 11 and put it in here, and using iOS 18's new feature for updating that information in the diagnostics area or whatever, just maybe I might be able to pull in that 90% battery health. So let's go and see if that's possible. Now, just to prove that this battery does have a really good battery health, I'm just going to pop it into my Keon Lee programming tool, and I'm going to show what battery health it is. It should be close to 90%. Now, any of the tools that you see me using in this video, tools or equipment, I do have Amazon affiliate links in the video description. So if you do feel that you need any of the tools or equipment that I use in these videos, you can find them down there. As you can see, it does say 88%. It is, I'd say, within about 5 to 10% of accuracy. I'd say closer to 5%. And that is more or less what I was expecting, somewhere between 88 and 92%. Well, I got the battery out. That's out of the way. Let's chuck this thing in and find out how it works. So the other battery, I believe it said that it was at 76%. Everything's plugged in. That's plugged in. Those are plugged in. Screen's plugged in. Turn it on. And it should identify immediately that there is something up there, that the battery is different, and that it has been replaced with something else. And it's going to wonder about whether or not a repair should be done. Now, this is from another phone, and I'm pretty darn sure that it has an account on it now, but when it was taken out, it likely did not have an account on the phone, so it's possible the battery may be registered as not having an account on it and being unlocked. Battery not recognized. It says unknown part. But it should allow me to go through that process of checking that battery. Parts and service history. That's pretty sure where it's supposed to show up. Is there something that I'm doing wrong? I'm going to try restarting the phone and just seeing if that does the trick. Okay, the phone's been restarted, and that message is popping up like usual. Battery health. Hasn't identified it yet because it's still thinking about it. And it's back to unknown part. That's super disappointing. Oh, it's telling me the percentage now. Important battery message, unable to verify this phone has a genuine Apple battery. Details from this may not be accurate. But we do have a maximum capacity showing at 91%. It's unverified. Can I go into settings now and have that verified? Will it do it? Do I do it in here? Can I verify the part? Unverified is a major change. There's supposed to be an option right in this section for parts and service that allows you to, at least try a restart on here. The only reason that I think it's not working is because the phone is not connected to an account at the moment. So I'm going to try signing into my own Apple account and seeing if that makes a difference. Alright, I'm logged in now. I'm going to see about whether or not this will make any difference. So once again, I'm in here. It's still saying unknown part. I might try restarting the phone again. Still unverified battery. I can't get it to say, hey, maybe I should check this out. Maybe I should try something to clear up this issue. I was positive there was supposed to be something that would do that. There is another thing I'm going to try. I'm going to try putting in an aftermarket battery. Because really this is what I was going to do anyways if I couldn't get it to work. I was just going to throw in an aftermarket battery because I do need it to be either verified, showing the proper battery percentage, or not at all. Now this one definitely should show unknown battery part once it finishes loading here. Oh, that's interesting. It shows the maximum battery health, and this is an aftermarket battery showing the battery health. Oh man, that's a game changer. I'm impressed by this. It actually is showing the battery percentage. Important battery message, unable to verify this is a genuine Apple battery. I'm so happy to see that in combination with this. The reason why I like this is because it is not a genuine Apple battery, and for Apple to say, hey, this is not a genuine Apple battery, but here's the maximum battery health percentage, that is beautiful. That is a great thing to see, because it's at least you get that battery percentage. It is nice to see that it is a healthy battery. What I don't like is that this is an Apple battery. This is a genuine Apple battery. Why is this not showing up? So what have we learned in this video? It's very clear-cut. When it comes to the genuine Apple batteries, even if it's a genuine Apple battery from another phone, at least on the iPhone 11 series of phones and down, so the X series as well, it will still show a genuine Apple battery as being an unknown part. It will show the percentage, which is great, but it's not going to show that it's a genuine battery. So what's the conclusion? Well, some aftermarket batteries, you make sure that your source is good and trustworthy, and that is still a very good battery. And Apple is a little tiny, itsy more repairable. And I'm happy to see that at least. It's great to see a battery percentage, a battery health percentage. So if you guys like the video, please do leave a like. It really does help me, those likes. And if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video.